Ever found yourself juggling crypto across different blockchains on your phone, wishing there was a bigger screen, a more comfortable setup? You're not alone. The world of decentralized finance is exciting, but sometimes navigating it on a small mobile device can feel a bit limiting. Especially when you're trying to analyze market trends, manage multiple accounts, or just prefer the familiarity of a desktop environment. So, the question on many crypto enthusiasts' minds is this: does Bifrost Wallet offer a desktop version? It's a valid question, given the increasing demand for seamless, multi-platform access to digital assets. Bifrost Wallet has certainly made a name for itself as a mobile wallet focused on Polkadot and its parachains, offering a convenient way to manage DOT, KSM, and a growing list of other interconnected cryptocurrencies. Its mobile app provides features like staking, transfers, and participation in crowd loans, all within a user-friendly interface. However, as of today, April 15, 2025, Bifrost Wallet primarily exists as a mobile application available on both iOS and Android platforms. Currently, there is no dedicated desktop application officially released by the Bifrost team for operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. This means that you cannot directly download and install a Bifrost Wallet application on your computer in the same way you would for a mobile app. This focus on mobile has its advantages, of course. Mobile wallets offer portability and on-the-go access to your crypto. They leverage the security features of your smartphone, such as biometric authentication, to help protect your assets. The mobile-first approach also aligns with the general trend of increasing mobile usage for various online activities. Despite the absence of a native desktop application, some users might explore alternative methods to potentially interact with their Bifrost wallet on a larger screen. One common approach for certain mobile applications is using Android emulators on a computer. These emulators create a virtual Android environment on your desktop, allowing you to install and run Android apps. While technically possible, using an emulator for crypto wallets comes with potential security considerations and might not offer the same level of seamless integration and performance as a dedicated desktop application. It's crucial to exercise extreme caution and thoroughly research any emulator before using it with sensitive applications like crypto wallets. The Bifrost team has been actively developing and expanding the features of their mobile wallet, continuously adding support for new parachains and functionalities. While there hasn't been an official announcement regarding a desktop version, the evolving landscape of DeFi and user demand could potentially lead to developments in this area in the future. It's always a good idea to stay updated on the latest news and announcements from the Bifrost project through their official channels, such as their website, social media, and community forums. They are the most reliable source for information regarding their product roadmap and any potential future releases, including a desktop application. For now, if you're looking for desktop-based solutions for managing your Polkadot ecosystem assets, you might need to explore other wallets that offer desktop support or browser extensions that interact with Polkadot-based applications. These alternatives might provide the larger screen interface you desire, but it's essential to carefully evaluate their security features and ensure they support the specific blockchains and functionalities you need. Remember to always prioritize security when choosing and using any cryptocurrency wallet, regardless of the platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.